What is your name?
My name is Ramesh.
Where do you live?
I live in Mumbai.
What do you do?
I am a student.
What is your father's name?
My father's name is Vijay.
How old are you?
I am 25 years old.
Which school do you attend?
I attend Kendriya Vidyalaya.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is biryani.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have one brother.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 6 a.m.
Do you like cricket?
Yes, I like cricket.
Who is your favorite cricketer?
My favorite cricketer is Virat Kohli.
What is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is mathematics.
How do you go to school?
I go to school by bus.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
What do you do in your free time?
I read books in my free time.
Do you have a pet?
Yes, I have a dog.
What is the name of your pet?
My pet's name is Bruno.
What is your mother's name?
My mother's name is Sita.
What is your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is Dangal.
Do you like to travel?
Yes, I like to travel.
Where do you like to travel?
I like to travel to the mountains.
What is your favorite sport?
My favorite sport is football.
Who is your best friend?
My best friend is Anil.
What is your favorite fruit?
My favorite fruit is mango.
Do you like reading?
Yes, I like reading.
What is your favorite book?
My favorite book is The Alchemist.
Do you play any musical instruments?
Yes, I play the guitar.
What is your favorite festival?
My favorite festival is Diwali.
What do you like to eat for breakfast?
I like to eat dosa for breakfast.
Do you know how to swim?
Yes, I know how to swim.
What is your favorite drink?
My favorite drink is lassi.
Do you like to dance?
Yes, I like to dance.
What is your favorite season?
My favorite season is winter.
Do you have a bicycle?
Yes, I have a bicycle.
What time do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 10 p.m. Yes,
Do you like ice cream?
I like ice cream.
What is your favorite ice cream flavor?
My favorite ice cream flavor is chocolate.
Do you have a mobile phone?
Yes, I have a mobile phone.
What is your favorite TV show?
My favorite TV show is Tarak Mehta Ka Ulta Chashma.
Do you like cooking?
Yes, I like cooking.
What is your favorite dish to cook?
My favorite dish to cook is paneer butter masala.
Do you go to the gym?
Yes, I go to the gym.
What is your favorite hobby?
My favorite hobby is painting.
Do you like gardening?
Yes, I like gardening.
What is your favorite flower?
My favorite flower is the rose.
Do you watch cartoons?
Yes, I watch cartoons.
What is your favorite cartoon?
My favorite cartoon is Chota Bheem.
Do you like singing?
Yes, I like singing.
What is your favorite song?
My favorite song is Tum Hi Ho.
Do you like to play video games?
Yes, I like to play video games.